In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to get Microsoft Office on Mac. So let's get started. So we have two ways, and first of all, we're gonna go over the first one, okay? So you're gonna go to your browser and search up office.com, and then it's gonna take you to a website like this, okay? But obviously, if you're not signed in, you'll first have to sign up or sign in. Once you're signed in, you're gonna be seeing a page like this. Now, once you're here, you're gonna head over to apps. Now here you'll see this option of install apps, so just click on it. And obviously, if you sign in with an account that has already bought Microsoft 365, you can directly go ahead with the installation process. However, in my case, I have not bought it, so you can just go ahead and click on buy Microsoft 365. You can choose a plan. You have 3 different plans, as you guys can see. So just choose any plan you want. Add a payment method. So click next. I can choose any payment method, for example. Then you have to just go ahead and pay for it, okay? So this is the first way. Well, the second way is also very straightforward. So for that, you'll need an app store, which is obviously there always. And once you're in the app store, you can just go ahead and search any app you want. For example, if you need Excel, just type in Excel, not that, Excel, and you can just directly click on get install. Obviously it's on my Mac version, it's not downloading. However, your Mac version, you can probably download it. And the same thing with other, you can see you also have Microsoft Word here, Microsoft PowerPoint, and all the other ones are also here. For example, what was that called? Outlook. Here you can see Outlook is also here. You can download it right there, okay? Now obviously if I update my Mac to the latest one, because there is an update out, I can download all these apps. So yeah, those are the 2 ways you can get Microsoft Office, and I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.